me to introduce our next guest this morning. We have fitness professional Kim Lyons here, who you might know from the hit show, The Biggest Loser. Good morning to you, Kim.
Good morning.
And you have some friends here with you, so let's go and talk about them.
I do. Tonight, as you know, it's the bodybuilding.com Fit Expo.
Right.
And we've got some of the best athletes in the world. We've got Gunter
I'm intimidated right now. I'm not going to
lie.
You
should be. I mean, those are some guns. You should be a little bit scared. So, former Mr. Universe and now doing a lot of acting stuff. And then we've got Nick here, who's one of the best wheelchair athletes. So he's going to be performing tonight on stage. So come on out and check it out.
And we've got you guys mic'd up. So what kinds of things are you guys going to be talking about? What's happening with you at the expo?
Oh, go ahead.
Nick, you first.
Yeah, basically, I'm out there to promote the sport, and I'll be doing a guest posing routine and everything, and hopefully little surprises through the routine.
Surprises.
Oh yeah,
you
got to get the bling bling.
Exactly.
Gunter, what about you?
I'm showing off my guns and talk about projects in the future, and of course promoting health and fitness and asking all kinds of questions about nutrition and working out and stuff like that.
And real quickly, what have you been in already at this point?
Actually, I have done the movie BFS Das Boot.
Yeah, Corbin just got it. Corbin recognizes him now.
And
Everybody's like,
I actually have a few other projects. I'm talking to a couple producers. They have a few projects going on, and they will pretty much happen the middle to the end of this year. And I'm pushing the acting now. So,
that's great. Mr. Universe.
Inspired by Arnold.
Yeah. I'm looking at the Mr. Flaviverse is what I'm trying to go for right now.
Not if I'm around, you know.
Right. Let's get into this. Kim, excited to have you here because on a personal note, for me, obviously, weight is something that a lot of us think about, myself included. Just started working with a personal trainer, and I think folks get at that point where they're just thinking, it's time for a healthy change. I'm curious, what inspired you to devote your life to making not just a part of your life, but it's your life's work?
Well, you know, a lot of people don't know that I've had struggles myself with weight. When I came out of college, I didn't just gain the college 15. It was more like the college 30 and then the college 40. Yeah. And I just, you know, you get in that spiral where it's all kind of downhill. And there's so many things, whether it be confidence or just getting out there in the world and taking care of your body. You can't control very many things right now in the world, but we can control what's going on here. So, you know, it was that transformation that kind of led me down the path of helping other people kind of make that same transformation. And
talking about transformation, The Biggest Loser, you see a lot of people, very touching stories. What are the reactions like when you're out on the street and you meet people and they recognize you? What has the reaction been after The Biggest Loser?
It is so rewarding. It's unbelievable. I mean, it seriously makes me just tear up thinking about how people's lives have been changed by seeing what we do. And, I mean, there are no excuses, period. I mean, everybody has an excuse. I have heard them all. And you know what?
Yeah.
I'm not buying any of them. I'm not buying any of them. So, you know, that's what people need to do. Come on out, get motivated, and find out, you know, ask people. Come over, ask me, what's your biggest question? What are you struggling with? Same thing with these guys, you know, ask, what are your questions? And then find help and quit making excuses and get it done.
Excuses gotta go. That's healthy advice right there. Well, I'm curious, besides the attention, fame, and money of doing the show, what do you get out of it? What's a rewarding experience for you?
You know, seeing people's lives change. And that's a lot of people ask me that. And I'm like, you know what makes the biggest difference is having somebody come up to me and say, you changed my life. And I mean, that just, wow, that's huge, you know, and it really is a very, very rewarding job.
All right. What got you guys going into bodybuilding, and what started for you, Gunter?
Actually, I got inspired by Arnold. I'm original from Germany. And, you know, I was 12 years old. He came out with a movie, Conan, and I said, I want to be like him, and I go to America. With 27, finally, I did, after winning the Mr. Universe. I became a professional athlete, was for many years working for WIDA, and then, you know, also, you know, representing bodybuilding.com and stuff. And, you know, now actually, for me, I have done bodybuilding for so long, and I've done a couple TV commercials, and I say I kind of like that, and I push now the acting more and taking really serious acting classes, the martial arts and stuff. So
Nick, we're running out of time here. Real quickly, what got you started?
Basically, after my accident in '98, I was depressed, and my weight went up to 300 pounds.
Wow.
Man, I just felt like a freak, and I didn't have anything, so I just thought the one thing I could be is stronger than everybody. And here I am. Yep.
Well, you can make sure you catch them tonight because they will be at the Bodybuilding Expo going on. It's actually tonight at the Knitting Factory from 6 to 10 o'clock. The doors, again, opening at 6 o'clock. Admission's free. You got no excuse not to go. Besides, you can meet some very interesting and cool people here who can help you change your life. Well, snakes, lizards...